Action Hook is an option for developers to add the dynamic elements they want. It provides the chance to add whatever input type you want to add in this form. Please keep in mind this is a pro feature. Purchase WP Fluent Form Pro add-on from the link provided in description to use this functionality. Drag and drop the Action Hook button in your form editor from the Input Field tab. Or you can just click on the button and an action hook will be added below the last selected input field in the editor. Or click on the plus icon below the last added input field and select Action Hook. Hover on the Action Hook input field and click on the Edit button to customize it. In General Settings, put the hook name to hook something to this place. You will be given 3 parameters to play with. That is Form ID, Post ID and Form Settings. In Advanced Options, Element class can be used to style the element. Define if there are any conditions to be fulfilled for this input field. Learn more about conditional logics in the link given in description.